Hey everyone, it's Audrey, and this video is going to be all about my shower routine. What I do to keep my color-treated hair looking healthy and give myself a natural all-over body glow, so let's get into it. I am a night showerer. I don't like to take showers in the morning. I find it too disorienting, and I like to get into bed clean. That's just what I prefer. Before I get into the shower, I like to do 3 pre-shower things, and they are to brush my hair, dry brush my body, and take off my waterproof makeup. To brush my hair, I like to use a wooden brush instead of a metal or plastic one. It creates less static, doesn't snag at all, and it also helps to distribute the natural oils from your scalp to the rest of your hair. I just want to get rid of any tangles before I wet my hair since it's getting kind of long, and this makes detangling wet hair easier for me. Once that's done, I move on to dry brushing, which I've talked about on my channel before, but just as a recap. The brush I use is a natural bristle brush with a long wooden handle so I can get to all my lady parts. Starting from my feet in circular motions, I gently work my way up my body and towards my heart for about 5 minutes or so. Not only does this exfoliate, but it also improves blood circulation. I've noticed my skin texture is a lot softer and it looks like it has more of a glow to it since I started doing this over a year ago. Moving on from dry brushing, I also take the time to remove my waterproof mascara before I get into the shower because I like to use coconut oil to remove it, and the shower just helps to wash all of that away. Finally, once those things are finished, I'm ready to shower. I love hot showers, but they're not the best for your hair and skin, so I try to keep the water temperature warm versus hot. Hot will just dry out your hair and skin. I make sure my hair is completely saturated with water before moving on to shampoo and conditioner. I've actually been using this one from the brand Hair Food. They're actually sponsoring this video, so thank you so much. When they reached out to me, I couldn't find much info on their products, so I figured I would try it out myself. Their products are sold at Target and Walmart, and I'm always at Target, so I know it's accessible. They let me pick from 4 different collections, which are free of any mineral oils, sulfates, or dyes. The 4 collections were Moisture with Manuka honey and apricot, Purifying with tea tree and lavender water, Nourishing with coconut milk and chai spice, and Smooth with avocado and argan oil. All of these sounded amazing when I read them. I couldn't choose between Moisture and Smooth for a second, but in the end I went with Moisture. I thought my hair could use it since I have color-treated hair, and Manuka honey and apricot just sounded like it would smell really nice. I don't know, let me know in the comments which hair food collection you would choose. I think it depends on preference and what you like to focus on when it comes to your hair. The first thing I noticed when I was trying this out was the scent. I think it smells so good. Appropriately named hair food because it smells delicious, and my husband really liked the smell of it as well. It lathers up nicely, and I always focus on my roots when shampooing because that's where I'm the oiliest. I kind of just let the shampoo rinse down to the ends instead of lathering up there. Once the shampoo is rinsed out, I squeeze the excess water out of my hair and then apply conditioner from ear level down to my ends. My scalp tends to get oily faster, so I don't focus on putting conditioner there. I just don't feel like I need it, but my ends definitely need it, so that's the area that gets the most love. To help distribute everything evenly, I also use a wide tooth comb so my entire hair is coated in conditioner and completely detangled before rinsing. For soap, I'm using this very nondescript bar of soap I brought home from my trip to Paris. No idea what the brand is. I ran out of soap recently and found this in my beauty cabinet. I just soap up and rinse, no exfoliating because I already did that earlier. This is around the time I shave as well, so please continue to enjoy this footage of my trip to Paris instead of unnecessarily watching me shave. That's pretty much it for my shower. I squeeze out the excess water from my hair before putting it up in a microfiber towel. This towel is a lot softer than the towel I use for my body, so it doesn't snag or pull out any of my hair, so I feel comfortable using it. And then I pat my hair dry as well as my body before putting coconut oil on as a moisturizer. And then any leftover I put on the ends of my hair for added moisture, comb through that with my comb, and then proceed with my skincare routine. I hope you found this video helpful or enjoyable at the very least. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!